Most people think they need a $3,000 DSLR to get shots like this. But the truth is, you're likely just using your iPhone on the wrong settings. If your photos look flat, grainy, or just off, you're making the 3 massive mistakes we talked about in my last short. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix them and unlock the pro mode you didn't even know you had. Hey everyone, I'm Hira. Welcome back to iTech Secrets. We are on a mission to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I am so pumped to have you here. After my recent short went viral, so many of you asked for a deep dive into how I actually set up my phone for professional photography. Today, we're going beyond the basics. We're talking 48 megapixel resolution, ProRAW, and composition secrets that will make people ask, wait, you took that on a phone? Let's dive in. First things first, we have to fix your foundation. Go to Settings, greater than Camera, greater than Formats. By default, your iPhone is set to high efficiency, which is great for saving space, but terrible for quality. Switch photo capture to ProRAW and resolution control. If you have an iPhone 14 Pro or newer, make sure you select ProRAW Max up to 48MP. This captures 12 times more data than a standard JPEG. See the difference? When you crop in on a 48MP shot, the detail stays crisp. While you're here, toggle on Apple ProRAW for video. It's a storage hog, but if you're filming something cinematic, it's a game changer for color grading later. One more secret here. Scroll down to Preserve Settings. Turn on Camera Mode and Creative Control. This stops the phone from resetting to auto every time you close the app. If you worked hard to set up a shot, you want the phone to remember it. Mistake number 2 is letting the phone decide the lighting. The iPhone loves to brighten shadows, which often results in that digital look and unwanted grain. In the native app, tap your subject and slide the little sun icon down. Lowering the exposure manually adds mood and preserves the highlights. But if you want to go full pro, I recommend the Moment Pro camera app. This lets you manually lock your ISO to kill digital grain forever. Keep your ISO as low as possible, ideally under 100. If it's dark, use a tripod instead of cranking the ISO. This keeps your images clean and professional. Now, let's talk about the features hidden in plain sight. 1. Photographic styles. Don't confuse these with filters. Go to your camera, swipe up, and tap the icon that looks like 3 layers. I personally use rich contrast. It changes how the camera processes light in real time without ruining skin tones. 2. The 2x optical crop. If you have a Pro model, that 2x button isn't just a digital zoom. It uses the center of the 48MP sensor to give you a perfect 50mm equivalent focal length, which is the gold standard for portraits because it does undistort faces. 3. Macro mode. Get close, like really close to a flower or a tech product. When the little yellow flower icon appears, you're using the ultra-wide lens as a microscope. The detail is insane. You can have the best settings in the world, but if your composition is messy, the photo won't land. Go to Settings Greater Than Camera and turn on the grid. Use the rule of thirds. See these intersections? Place your subject on one of those points rather than right in the middle. It creates instant balance and cinematic depth. Also, look for leading lines, things like a fence or a road that lead the viewer toward your subject. And don't forget level. In iOS 17 and 18, a small horizontal line appears in the middle of your screen to help you keep your horizons perfectly straight. No more crooked beach photos. Quickly, let's talk video. If you want that movie look, shoot in 4K at 24 FPS. This matches the frame rate of cinema. If you're shooting sports or want to do slow motion later, switch to 60 FPS. And here is a pro tip. Turn on action mode, the little running man icon if you're moving. It uses advanced stabilization to make it look like you're using a professional gimbal. Taking professional photos isn't about having the newest gear. It's about mastering the gear you already have in your pocket. Switch to ProRAW W, lock your ISO and use those grid lines. If you found these secrets helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. We are so close to our goal of 10,000 subscribers, so if you want to master your iPhone and stay ahead of the tech curve, join the iTech Secrets family by hitting subscribe. Comment below, what's the one camera setting you never knew existed? I'll be replying to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.